Hey guys, today let's learn how to create an emoji on your iPhone device step by step. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and create an emoji over on your iPhone device step by step, how do you necessarily do so? Well, all we need to basically do if we want to go ahead and create this emoji on our device is to go ahead and launch our messaging applications, choose a chat that you want, and I want you to choose this option called the Memoji on your iPhone. If you want to go ahead and create your own emojis, you could tap on your emoji option right here, scroll over all the way onto the end onto the left part of your screens, tap on the three lines over there, tap on the three lines again, and basically this is going to allow you to create a new Memoji. And now from here you could now basically create your own emoji, choosing the skin tone, the freckles, and being creative with all of the different additions and features that you could add to your own face, customizing it to make it truly yours. So once you're done, of course, with everything that you have done here, you're going to tap on the done option, and then from there you can now basically choose this and then send this to them with no problems. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you boys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.